Welcome back to Unique Car Autos. Today, we're taking a closer look at the stunning 2026 luxury XL4534 RF motorhome, a rolling mansion that combines premium comfort, advanced technology, and impressive road performance. If you've ever dreamed of traveling in complete luxury without sacrificing the comforts of home, this motorhome might be exactly what you're looking for. From the very first glance, the XL4534 RF makes a powerful statement. Its massive exterior design is both elegant and commanding, featuring sleek body lines, premium paint finishes, LED lighting accents, and large panoramic windows that give it a modern and upscale appearance. Every detail has been carefully designed to create a luxury presence on the road. Whether parked at a luxury resort or cruising down the highway, this motorhome attracts attention everywhere it goes. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the exceptional craftsmanship. The interior feels more like a luxury apartment than a traditional RV. High-end materials, soft-touch surfaces, premium wood cabinetry, and elegant lighting create a warm and sophisticated atmosphere. The spacious living area offers plush seating, a large entertainment center, and plenty of room to relax after a long day of travel. The kitchen is equally impressive, featuring premium countertops, residential-style appliances, a large refrigerator, modern cooktop, microwave, and ample storage space. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a full family meal, the XL4534 RF provides everything needed for comfortable living on the road. Moving toward the rear, you'll find a luxurious master bedroom designed for maximum comfort. The bedroom includes a premium king-size bed, elegant furnishings, large wardrobes, and plenty of storage options. The bathroom offers residential-style luxury with a spacious shower, modern fixtures, and high-quality finishes that make every trip feel like a five-star hotel experience. Technology is another area where the 2026 XL4534 RF truly shines. Advanced touchscreen controls allow owners to manage lighting, climate systems, entertainment features, and various vehicle functions with ease. Multiple smart displays and premium audio systems provide a connected and enjoyable travel experience for everyone on board. Performance is equally impressive. Built on a robust commercial-grade chassis, the XL4534 RF delivers excellent stability and confidence on the road. Its powerful diesel engine provides strong acceleration and smooth highway cruising despite its large size. Advanced suspension systems help absorb road imperfections, ensuring a comfortable ride for passengers even during long-distance travel. Safety remains a top priority in this luxury motorhome. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, collision mitigation systems, advanced braking technology, multiple cameras, and enhanced visibility systems help drivers navigate with greater confidence and peace of mind. Storage capacity is another major advantage. Large exterior compartments provide plenty of space for luggage, outdoor equipment, tools, and travel essentials. Whether you're planning weekend adventures or extended cross-country journeys, the XL4534 RF offers the practicality needed for long-term travel. Now let's talk about pricing. Luxury of this level doesn't come cheap. Depending on customization options, interior packages, technology upgrades, and premium features, the 2026 XL4534 RF motorhome is expected to start at approximately $1.8 million and can exceed $2.5 million for fully equipped models. While the price is certainly substantial, buyers receive an unmatched combination of luxury, comfort, performance, and prestige. Overall, the 2026 luxury XL4534 RF motorhome represents the ultimate expression of luxury travel. It combines a stunning exterior design, premium interior accommodations, powerful performance, advanced technology, and exceptional comfort into one extraordinary package. For those seeking the very best in luxury motorhome living, the XL4534 RF stands among the finest options available today. Thanks for watching Unique Car Autos. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury vehicle and motorhome reviews. We'll see you in the next video.